Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hew. In today's video, we'll be drawing the development for the hexagonal base prism. In the previous video, we drew the hexagonal base prism in isometric projection. Now at CAD with Mr. Hew, we aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online, and we thank you for joining us. We'll be starting the video now. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do to draw the development for the hexagonal base prism, we're gonna go to our zero layer and we're gonna draw the plan view for the hexagonal base prism. Alright, so we're gonna select we're gonna choose snap and we're gonna choose right here. So the length of the side is 20 millimeters. Enter. The length of the next side will be 20 and the angle would be 60 degrees. Okay, enter. We're gonna draw the next side, which will be 20 millimeters, and the angle would be 120 degrees. Enter. We're gonna come across, we're gonna turn on ortho. The length of this line will be 20 millimeters. Enter. We're gonna turn off ortho and we'll be drawing this line down will be 20 millimeters and the angle would be 240 degrees. Right, the length of this side would be 20 millimeters and the angle would be 300 degrees. Enter. So what we have done, we have completed drawing the plan for the hexagonal base prism. Alright, the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna draw the front elevation. Alright, so we're gonna draw a line, gonna turn on ortho. I'm gonna draw a random line about there. Enter. And we're gonna draw a line going down to represent the height of 70 millimeters, right? So we're gonna come down here. This line will be 70 millimeters long, right? Alright, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna draw a construction line coming across from here. Enter. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna project down these lines from those corners. Alright, so we're gonna carry down, we're gonna turn off snap. I'm gonna select this point coming down. Enter. I'm gonna remove this line. Alright, we're gonna draw a line coming down from here to there. Enter. From here coming down to here. Enter. From here coming down to there. Enter. Alright, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go to our outline layer and we're gonna draw a line to darken up out the drawing. So go there, 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 there. Gonna turn off ortho. There, enter. Gonna draw the front elevation, so we're gonna go there. Gonna turn on ortho. There, 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 there. Enter. Enter to put in these two lines. Enter. Enter. So we're gonna label the drawing now. So this will be single line text. We're gonna turn off ortho. And we're gonna label right here. The height will be 4. Rotation angle 0. This will be plan. This would be front. elevation. All right, we're gonna move the drawing above. Enter. I'm gonna click. I'm gonna turn on objects now. I'm gonna click here. I'm gonna carry it up. Enter. I'm gonna move this down. All right. So here we have the front elevation plan. We're gonna insert the measurements on it. So this height, I'm gonna change the layer to the outline layer. So we're gonna go this height. This will be 70 millimeters, yes. And this measurement from here to here, which is the length of a side, we need to go aligned. So from there to there, that's 20. Good. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna draw the development now, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna draw a construction. We're gonna trim these extra lines here, right? So we're gonna trim, enter. So we're gonna go line. Just draw a long enough construction line there. Enter. Draw another line, right? We're gonna carry this over. There, enter. What we're gonna do, we're gonna label the plan. All right, so we're gonna go single line text. So we're gonna turn off object snap, sorry. So we go single line text. This point would be 1 or 4 for the height, 0 rotational angle, enter. This would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right. So we can actually put these numbers on the base. So we're going to move the words front elevation and move them, right? So we're going to move it down so we get some space. I'm going to turn off ortho. I'm going to move it right there. Enter. So we're going to go single line text. This point will be the start, 4 millimeter height, 0. So this will be 1. This point would be the center of the drawing. This would be 2/6. This point would be 3/5. And this point would be 4. Alright, I'm going to move the 4 from the drawing. There. Alright. I'm going to move the 1 closer, okay? Enter. Base point right there. Enter. Alright, so what we're going to do now, we're going to go to the line command and we're going to draw a line. We're going to turn on snap. I'm going to draw a line from here. The length of the line will be 20. Enter. I'm going to turn on ortho. We have come to the end of part 1 of 2 videos covering the topic how to draw a development for a hexagonal base prism. In the next video, we'll be continuing the video. We look forward to seeing you then. Please take care until we meet again. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.